wanted to introduce you to another one of the good guys from the garden. Today we're going to take a look at lacewings, which were excellent beneficial insects. And we caught one of the adults here because they can be kind of elusive, and so I've got one here that I wanted to show you though. We'll see if he doesn't fly away. There he is. Now you can see by looking at the adult, oh, there he goes. Well, you can see by looking at the adult how they get the name lacewings. It's a small green insect, and then the wings are very lacy and transparent looking, and they have either black or brown venation on them, so you can see. And you'll see them flittering around in the trees. Now, the adult lacewings actually eat nectar and pollen. However, it's the larva stage of the lacewing that's such a great predator for the garden. One lacewing larva can eat over 100 aphids in a day. They come out, they hatch out, and they're very, very hungry, and they can really get rid of an aphid population for you quickly. Now, the larva of the lacewing looks very similar to, remember the larva of the lady beetle that we saw? It looks very similar to that. They are called aphid lions because they're so voracious. They're kind of a brown color. They have ridges on the side. And then in the front, they have two claws that come out, and that's different than the lady beetle larvae. So they are actually the beneficial stage of the insect. Now, the other thing that you'll see as you're looking for lacewings is the eggs. And right here, we have a lacewing egg, which that's probably what you're going to see more of because it's a little less elusive than either the adult or the larva. But you can see a tiny thread, and then we have a small pearl-like appendage here on the thread. That's the actual lacewing egg. And those will hatch in 4 to 10 days. So, and as you look, you'll see more and more of those in there, and that's very good because that means you're going to have a lot of lacewing larvae really quick. Now, one of the really cool things about lacewings is they're very easy to buy and have them shipped. And I've got a box right down here that came to us from the bug store, and there are several different biological supply stores that sell beneficial insects. Lacewings are one of the easier ones, and they might probably come in a box very similar to this, and then you'll have a little cup that's usually, this has got like wheat chaff in it, and in that are thousands of lacewing eggs. And what you can do is take your little container after it arrives within a couple of days and just spread those out in the garden area that you need to put them in, and then wait 4 to 10 days, and you should have a very nice hatch of lacewing larvae that will emerge very hungry and can get rid of your aphid population.
We hope you've enjoyed this classic from the Oklahoma Gardening Vault. Remember, even though these tips and techniques are timeless, there's always something new to learn in the world of gardening. By subscribing to both Oklahoma Gardening and OK Gardening Classics, you'll have access to a wealth of gardening knowledge, both classic and contemporary.